Hello, welcome back. Hope you're all well. It's supposed to be a van video, but it's been raining for the last sort of 2 weeks, so I haven't got out there to do it. So I thought I'd do a little update video of what I've been up to and what's occurring with all the other projects and stuff. And yeah, just thought I'd do a little video. You know what's happening, because I don't think I'll put a video up for about 2 weeks now. So yeah, well, I'll go through the list of projects, what we're doing at the moment, and then I'll tell you what I've been up to and what I'm doing. Obviously we've got the van. Like I say, that's been raining for the last 2 weeks. Every time I've gone out there thinking, oh, it's nice, I'll get out here and get it up in the air. I'll get all the gear out and it pisses down the rain, so of course I ain't going to work in them. There's no need to work on it in the wet. So like I say, it's going to be night. It's Sunday night now, and it's a day, I think it's the 1st of November, because it's the day after Halloween. So yeah, hopefully Wednesday or Thursday we'll be on the van, and there'll be a video up hopefully next week. Get some van videos out, I think. It's the most important thing at the moment. The washing machines, I've got a couple more in. I've still got the one indoors to do with the beer and gone. It's just timing at the moment. I'm taking that's just the wind rattling on the door, because it's really windy out. You might be able to hear it. I don't think it's raining yet, but it's, you know, I don't know. It's dark out there, I can't quite see through the gap. Yeah, so anyway, like I said, you might get a bit of wind noise. Yeah, so I've got some more washing machines, and we're going to crack on with them as well. Push bikes, I've got some more push bikes and bits for the push bikes, so I'll get on with them. So hopefully I'll start knocking a few of them out next week. It's just I've been doing other stuff, so haven't had the opportunity to get stuck in and film it. Yeah, because it's like a November update type thing. Yeah, I've sort of end of October. Some of you may know that we had a bit of sad news. If you watched the church video, you'd understand what's going on, and it messed my brain up a little bit. But you know, we're cracking on now. I'm bussing now since I've got the gas. Oh, I've been so keen. Like I said, it's Halloween last night. I was down here, so I don't think there was many people about. But well, I say that when I took the dog for a walk, there was loads of young lads and girls, pissheads, you know. Obviously not from the village, because they all drove in cars and stuff. But yeah, I've been like it for the last 2 nights. Maybe it's because the boys had just said last night that we used to be about locking us down again, so I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so since we've had the gas bottle put on the welder, my attitude's been really good, and you know, brain farts have been in the distance, so it's been good. So I've been down here playing all kinds of stuff, really. I started again on the fast hater. I've dragged it out. I won't show you now, I'll do a video on it. But what I've been doing is making, I started yesterday actually, on making these gussets up. They're not dressed up or nothing yet. I just took the edge off so they're not sharpening fingers, and sort of started to nip the end up. But I'm making gussets for the main part of the chassis. Originally what I was going to do is stick one of these in each corner in the middle of the box. I've got a bit of box here, like so, like that, but obviously straight, you know what I'm saying, in the middle. But now I'm going to alter it to having, who's that? Right, as I was saying before, the door was ripped off with the wind. Yeah, I was going to put one gusset, sort of, I'll set that way up or whatever, but you know, one gusset in the middle, and now the idea is, I don't know if I'll be able to do it now, just to put two in there next to each other basically. That's the general plan, just to stiffen it up a little bit more, and because I can. It's the easiest thing. So instead of making 4 of these, I made 8. They need dressing up. Oh yeah, because I marked down another bit of metal, that's why. Yeah, so I've just made these, like I say, they need dressing up. I've just took the edge off of them. They're not sharp while I'm messing around with them. But I need to dress them up. I need to take a little bit more for the corner. I want to take a bit more for the corners, just so I can get the weld in there nicely, and I've got to shape them and put an edge in that on them. But yeah, that's what I was playing with yesterday, and then last night, Halloween night, I was playing with some welding spoons up. So we'll talk about that another time. We'll talk about that another time. Also, I don't know if I mentioned it just now, but I've ground and cut the welds out where I've done the stick welder, and gone over again with the MIG just to make it look pretty. The other weld was fairly strong enough, and there's a couple of bits what I've sort of left because they were alright, you know what I mean. They might look bird shitty, but they're more than strong enough. It's mainly for looks that I've gone over with the MIG. What I was going to say is, let me know in the comments, drop me a message in the comments if you want to see that stuff being done. You know, like the welding and making the, I know these are like literally, like I say, just cutting out of a bit of 3mm sheet with a grinder. I was using a plasma cutter, but it's like neater to use the grinder. Just the easiest, to be honest with you. But if you want to see that in the videos, let me know, because I did say at the beginning of the year that I wasn't going to do videos like that really, not of the Fast Hater, and probably not of Charlene as well. Just do what I've been doing, which is basically showing you what I've done, maybe a little bit in it, but nothing major. And I'm thinking now, because we've got more time, obviously we've just gone into another lockdown, I can do that. I've got time to do these videos, so I'll just do a little bit more training. But just let me know if you prefer the way it is, let me know, or what I've been doing, or you want to see a bit more grinding and welding and whatever. Let me, well, it'll be any welding, because I don't think I've videoed any more welding. Yeah, let me know. But like I say, they're not going to be a how-to, because I'm no metal worker, as you can tell. But it's great fun. I'm really enjoying it. I'm really enjoying learning. But like I say, put in the comments if you want to see it or not. If nobody wants to see it, then I still might do it. I don't know. I know most of the time, like I say, I'll just do what you want. It's your channel. Put what you like on. Yeah, so that's Fast Hater dealt with. Like I say, that's probably what I'm going to be doing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday, the van. I want to get the engine mounts made up for the Fast Hater as well. But I'll do a Fast Hater video anyway, couple of you know, to catch up, and then we'll crack on with that. Yeah, I've got a couple more projects lined up for next year. I'm not going to start them this year, obviously we're in November now. I'm slowly getting the bits full, and I'll mention, we will see when they come on. It's going to take me another couple of months, I reckon, to get all the bits. So that'd be like a new project for the beginning of the year. I think I'm hoping for the new year to start on one of them anyway. But one of the things I've got to make, well, probably before then, to be honest with you, but I've got to make it soon. I'll get some metal. Is to make a new workbench or a work table. Not a welding table, because whether I make will never be smooth enough for that. But I just want a decent sized bench, heavy bench to work on, preferably with a metal top. So I'm hoping sort of four by 6, something like that, 4 by 5.5, big enough to get the Westwood on or the Murray on. And the only reason I want to do that is so when I put it in the corner, I can put one of them machines on top, and it just saves the space, because it's quite a big table for this size workshop. I haven't got that much room. So that's my plan, but obviously I want to make it out of, I mean, it's not going to be heavy, it's going to be made out of probably say 3mm steel, whatever, and I'm not sure what I'll put on the top, just to give it a bit of weight and just something I can work on and pull stuff about on a bit more than I can. This little Clark's one I've got, well, it's probably about, the angle on it's probably about 1mm thick, 1mm thick, something like that, maybe 1.5mm thick. It does the job, and it's obviously got a wooden top on it, but it does the job what it's made to do. That's why I'm trying to bend bits of metal on that. It's just not got the weight in it. Plus I need something a bit bigger. I just want something a bit bigger, like a big table, you know. Also I want to make another table up for the other shed or the other workshop, because when I start moving stuff in there, only that'd be a lot smaller. I've got a little bench thing in there I picked, well, I was given by my sister-in-law. I haven't shown you that yet. I haven't really done anything in it. I will do some live videos from there as well between now and Christmas. It's just a matter of, everything's been in the air, a lot of things been going on behind the scenes. Right, I think I'm going to leave it there. So yeah, if you like sort of stuff, or you're interested in any of the projects I'm doing or whatever, or you just want to see me make a fool of myself with the welder, subscribe and ring the bell. If you ring the bell, ding ding ding, all the rest of it, you'll get notifications every time I put a video up. And yeah, that's basically it. So take it easy. Remember, it's okay not to be okay. See you soon.